right here goes out to all the babies, mamas.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Taylor. If you don't know, now you know. And today I'm going to be doing this Valentine's Day makeup inspired look. But before I get into the look, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when the next video is going to be popping. Just go ahead and like. I'll wait. Go ahead and subscribe too. Did you hit the notification bell? We're good? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be using 3 different eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to be using the Nubian 2 palette, Masquerade palette, and the 3502 Morphe palette as well. You're going to want to start off with a clean face, moisturize, yes, work it, ooh, vote, yes, who are you, who is she? Okay, are you done? Nope, there's more. All right. Anyway, so you're going to start off with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Choice Foundation with SPF 20. I recently got this at Target. It was on clearance for like $3. And I have to say that this is one of my favorite foundations. Yes, I said Milani 2-in-1 foundation was really good as well, but this is just as good, if not better, and I really, really like it. So you're just going to put a little bit on your face. Oh wait, hold up. So I twisted in my hair, and if y'all want to know how I did the style, just let me know. That would be great. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. foundation pointed brush just to blend in my foundation. So you're just gonna keep blending and just look how it blends into the skin. Like, wow, yes, I know, girl. Yes, I know. Next, you're gonna take the spoolie and just brush out your eyebrows a little bit. And then I'm gonna be using the Revlon Eyebrow Tint Liquid. And can I just say, I really liked this when I first got this. It worked really, really good the first 2 times that I did it. And I just felt like after that, it just took a while for it to build up. And then now it's just not even giving the same thickness of a brow that I once had. So I just did my other eyebrow off camera, and I defined it a little bit with the Glossier brow gel, and I'm just putting concealer underneath my eyes. Usually I let it sit for a couple minutes, but I didn't have time and I was kind of in a rush, so I just blended it right in with the same brush that I used for my foundation. I'm going to be going in with the Glossier lip and face tint just as a blush for my face. Wow, good job. Just smudged that. Nice. I'm going to be using a little bit more foundation for my eyelids just as a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm going to be going in with the 3502 Morphe palette in the color Chestnut. It's kind of like a warm auburn color, and this will be the base as well for my lids. But wait, hold up. I want to give you a day look that you can wear while you're at school, getting groceries, hanging out with a boo or with friends, or just eating some chips before I give you the glam look that you can wear at night. So I'm going in with the Sephora lip liner in the color Mauve. Next, I'm going to be taking a brown eyeliner pencil just to smoke up my upper eyelashes before I put on mascara. And then I'm going to go with the Nubian Masquerade palette with this shimmery pink color for my eyeshadow. And I'm going to put that at the center of my lids. Next, I'm going to take the champagne color and just put that in the inner corners of my eye just to add a little highlight right there. And I'm just going to blend it into the rest of the eyeshadow, as you can see in this clip. Then I'm going to go back in with a darker purple, also from the same palette, just to smoke out my outer corners of my eyes. So I'm going to be just getting a little bit more of the purple just to smoke out my eyes and my outer corners just a little bit more. I'm going to carry that purple color to the bottom lashes. That's the color that I've been using. So just keep smoking it and blending it in the outer corners of your eye, and then drag it down to your waterline. Now I'm going to be putting this metallic color that I got in. There's no name on it, but it's a metallic rose gold type of color. I got it from Forever 21. And then I'm going to be using the mascara that I also put in my last video, is the Bad Girl Benefit Mascara. And I'm just going to be putting that on my upper and bottom lashes. So this is evening look number 1 with this lipstick, and I'm going to switch it up right now. And I will be using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream lipsticks in 2 different colors. So right now I am using Vintage or Retro in the shade 12. It's just a nude mauve type of look. For a darker look, I'm going to be using the color 23. The name is Club Hopper. Ooh, okay. We going clubbing tonight with this look. I see you. The center of my lips, I'm going to be putting the NYX Lingerie Lid Eye Tint color in the shade Evening Spell. It's a liquid eyeshadow. Yes, I know it's technically for your eyes, but you can honestly just put it on any part of your face, and that's what I did. I just want to let you guys know too that this dries down like a soft matte. It's not super drying at all, but it does stay on your lips for a long period of time. So we come to the end. This is the final look. If you guys like this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, please give this video a huge like. That would be much appreciated. Please make sure to subscribe and then hit the bell if you want to know when the next video is gonna be popping. Thanks. Bye.